guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my daily skincare routine. Now I do have some dark circles and spots, but that is why I really try to maintain my daily regime. To get started, I'm going to be cleansing, and I'm going to be using my grapefruit and lime cleansing gel along with my ultrasonic cleansing brush. I do prefer to use this method or a soft washcloth, as it tends to give a much deeper cleanse versus using my fingertips, which really just brushes the surface. This product is specifically formulated to balance oily skin and remove impurities, leaving the skin feeling and looking fresh and revitalized. I got these products from Earth Elements on Constant Spring Road in Halfway Tree. I will leave their information below if you're interested. And I basically just go over my face, each area, for about 30 seconds, and then I rinse off. Next, I'm moving on to exfoliating, and today I'm going to be using my turmeric and lime mask. I'm basically applying this over the entire portion of my face, allow it to dry or for as long as I'm able to wait, and then I rinse. This product has bentonite clay, which helps to remove toxins and impurities from the skin, tightens and tones complexion, and the turmeric powder has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and it has apricot exfoliant, which gives a gentle and effective soothing and refreshing exfoliating factor, able to be used on a daily basis. Next, I'm going to be steaming, and I'm just going to use a washcloth which I have ran under warm water, and I place this over my face and allow it to cool on my face. What this does is opens up the pores and allow me to remove any form of impurities that might have been trapped on the inside. And I basically cleanse my face with the warm washcloth and follow up by rinsing my face with room temperature water to close the pores, and then I dry my face thoroughly, ensuring to cleanse around the hairline as dirt tends to get trapped around those areas. Next, I'm going to be toning. What toning does is really to balance the skin, remove any form of residue that might have been left over, and this also can be repeated throughout the day without the other steps. All these products, like I said, are from Earth Elements, and they are all natural stores, so it is a quite effective method. And what I'm using today is my rose water, natural rose water, and this is very beneficial as it has vitamins and minerals, which helps to give the skin a very glowing and soothing and fresh effect. And next, I'm going to be moisturizing, and what I'm using today is my vanilla and aloe moisturizing cream to basically replenish my skin with all the moisture that I have just removed with the various steps. I really have to go in with a moisturizer to basically add back those moisture into my skin. I'm also going to be moisturizing my lips with my raw shea butter, and this is the natural shea butter from Africa, and I also bought this in Earth Elements. Like I said, they are all natural store, and I'm basically just applying this to my lips so I can add a little bit more moisture and softness to them. And that is it, guys. I'm feeling fresh, ready to go, and I can tweak this method if I'm going to bed, if I'm adding a treatment, whatever it is that I need to do, I do after this, and I tweak depending on my skin type, what my skin needs at the moment and such. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, do share, comment, and tag or share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.